You think we're done with Woodrow Wilson hate? We've barely begun. It's time for rapid fire mode. He suppressed dissent by using the Sedition Acts to arrest anybody who disagreed with his war policies. He implements a massive domestic spy ring going after U.S. citizens by encouraging other U.S. citizens to report on them. I heard Timmy didn't like the war, so it's time for Timmy to go to jail. Or maybe it was, I don't really like Timmy because he borrowed the lawnmower and didn't bring it back, so Timmy goes to jail and I'll make shit up about him. He institutes the first military draft since Abraham Lincoln. He reinstitutes the federal income tax, which Lincoln started as well, so maybe this is kind of a Lincoln rant. But in any case, he also signs the Federal Drug Prohibition Act, which is the first one of its kind, which takes poor brown people, throws them into jail, into for-profit prisons where they can be used as slave labor, because the 13th Amendment actually doesn't end slavery for everything. And then on top of all that, he unconstitutionally orders unilateral military action into Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Mexico. He gets credit for women's suffrage despite the fact that he was constantly berating women, yelling at women, and having women arrested that were protesting in front of the White House. The only real reason why women's suffrage goes through is because he has a stroke and his wife takes over office unconstitutionally and hangs him up there as a puppet. But the absolute worst thing that Woodrow Wilson did was the implementation of the Federal Reserve Act. And if you're a foreigner or if you're an American who went through the American education system, you might be confused about what the Federal Reserve Act is. The Federal Reserve, you think, oh, that's federal, so the government has control over it. No, we don't have control over it. We took the U.S. nation's money and we put it in the handful of several private bankers and let them frig with it. So essentially it took the United States and turned us into an oligarchy because everybody knows that he who controls the money controls the nation. It doesn't matter who we vote for president. It doesn't matter who we vote in Congress because all that matters is who's running the Federal Reserve, which then takes our money and prints it like it's candy because it's unlimited at the Federal Reserve. Those printing presses are just going all day long. Oh, you want more money for a new Sherman tank? Oh, you want money for a new aircraft carrier? You want money to suppress women's rights and not allow them to have abortions? You want money for free school lunches so the kids don't starve when they go to school? Not on my watch!